Samsung is preparing to make One UI 9.0 even more interesting, and one of the biggest updates could be coming to Good Lock. For Galaxy users who like to customize their phones, Good Lock is one of Samsung's most useful tools. It allows users to change different parts of the interface and add extra features that are not always available in the standard One UI experience. Now, Samsung has officially teased new Good Lock features for One UI 9.0. Usually, when Samsung releases a major new version of One UI, the company also updates its Good Lock modules. These updates can bring new customization options, improved controls, and features that take advantage of the latest version of Samsung software. It looks like One UI 9.0 will follow the same pattern. Samsung recently posted a message on the Samsung Community Forum in Korea about the upcoming Good Lock changes. The company said that it plans to provide information about the One UI 9.0 Good Lock features through Terrace once everything has been finalized. That statement may sound simple, but it gives us an important clue. Samsung is clearly working on new Good Lock features for One UI 9.0. The company has not yet revealed which modules will receive updates, what the new features will actually do, or when users can expect them. So for now, we know that something is coming, but we don't know exactly what Samsung has planned. This is especially interesting because Good Lock is made up of different modules, with each one focusing on a particular part of the Galaxy experience. That means Samsung could be preparing improvements across several areas of customization. However, until the company shares more information, it would be too early to say which modules will receive the biggest changes. Samsung says it will provide more details through Terrace once everything is finalized. The timing of this announcement also makes sense. Samsung first introduced One UI 9.0 in May, when it launched the beta program for the Galaxy S26 series. This gave users and developers a chance to test the new software before the stable release. A few days ago, Samsung released the stable version of One UI 9.0 alongside its newest foldable smartphones. That means the latest Galaxy devices are already moving to the new software experience, while older Galaxy phones are expected to start receiving the update over the coming weeks. Samsung is also preparing its own apps for the wider One UI 9.0 rollout. The company has been updating its applications to make sure they work properly with the new software. At the same time, Samsung is refreshing the design of some apps so they better match the new One UI interface. This is important because a major software update is not only about changing the main interface. Samsung also needs its apps and customization tools to work smoothly with the new system. And Good Lock is an especially important part of that experience for users who want more control over their Galaxy phones. The upcoming updates could make One UI 9.0 much more flexible for people who enjoy customizing everything from the interface to different system functions. However, Samsung has not promised any specific features yet, so the safest expectation is simply that Good Lock will receive new options designed around One UI 9.0. As the stable update reaches more Galaxy devices, we should learn more about what Samsung has planned. For now, the company has confirmed that information about the new Good Lock features is coming. The exact modules, features, and release timing are still being kept secret. One thing is clear, One UI 9.0 is not just a visual update for Samsung phones. The company is also making sure its apps and customization tools evolve alongside the new software. And if Samsung delivers some meaningful Good Lock upgrades, Galaxy users could have even more ways to make their phones feel truly personal.